So where did the idea come about? The idea came about because people are genuinely lazy, and this makes it easy to control temperature levels of a room without having to touch or use of the big expensive cooling and heating units. It also helps because it works with specific temperatures rather than just a basic temperature fan speed as a 1, 2, 3 button. Our project is based off a smart desk idea which helps those who sit at a desk maintain a cool preset temperature. As many people spend time in front of desks with the problem in mind, we have devised a plan that can aid people who spend long hours in front of desks, keep cool and refreshed while working at a desk for long periods of time. So what other products are like ours? What other products are in the market? There may be expensive and cheap USB desk fans that have constant voltage, which waste power and only have 3 settings which aren't adjustable completely. Other products waste power by using a constant supply of power, whilst ours turn on and off depending on the environmental conditions of the room, hence saving power. Here are some USB fans which we drew inspiration from.
So how does it all work? The smart desk fan requires fan motor, humidity sensor, temperature sensor, wire connectors, and a Arduino board, of course, and all appropriate software to make the program work and for the fan to work according to the temperature of the room. The idea will eventually require a shelf for actual products, which may be released. The shell is obviously to protect the hardware inside and to make sure it looks nice and is not an eyesore when kept on someone's desk or eventually used for other purposes like to use in entire rooms. The required equipment is inexpensive, easy to source and set up, making this device really cheap and cost effective to assemble. In terms of product implementation, the product will aid with comfortable living conditions and easily help to set up a simple smart home. In the case of the smart desk fan, which is what we're focusing on right now, because we are unable to acquire heating and a way to adjust humidity, but we do have ideas coming. The user will simply set a temperature level for the room or a humidity level for the room according to on their computer or later on a screen with buttons on the device. And that will set a range for where the fan will turn on and off or what speed it will turn on at depending on what the temperature is. So let's just say the temperature of the room is 26 degrees. And if it drops below, let's say 24 degrees, the fan will turn off because the room is getting too cold. But if it goes above 30 degrees, the fan will turn back on. And the higher it gets above 30, the quicker the fan will spin, which is all programmed into the program, and we've tested it and it works fine.